All right, good morning everybody. So we're back here at the job getting ready to seal it this morning. I'll walk you through and show you we got everything prepped and everything swept out and vacuum blown off. Okay, so this is where we are. We got it all set and ready to go. I think I told you we're going to do this section, the second part. So we take this off and then put some Visqueen down, just to make sure that we don't get any overspray on there. So we'll have a nice crisp line along this side, and that should make it blend in just perfect. This little area right here, that's a drip from up top there. There's not a whole lot we can do with it. It'll be fine. It's not soaking wet. It's just a little damp, so that'll work for that. And I think that's about it. Okay, so we're all set. We're ready to lay the sealer down now. We're all prepped up and ready to go. Okay, so we have the second coat down on the back deck, and we're going to go ahead and hit the steps. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here. We ended up putting a third light mist coat on top of it just to make sure, but anyway, I'll show you what it looks like for now. Give it a chance to dry. The colors are just really popping now. Yeah, it looks very nice. All those grays and pink are really just popping out of it now. So at any rate, I'll be back and show you what it looks like after it's dry after a day. Thanks.